Okay, now if you're testing your electrical outlets, so this one actually works, but so now if you get an open hot reading, that means that middle one where no lights show up like this. See what the bottom one's going to work. 2 lights on the right, which means on this particular circuit tester, it's correct. It's that bottom. But then this top one, look, it's no lights, which is open hot. See in the middle? Open hot. That can either mean that you have to turn all the power off and your circuit breaker, and then go in there and there's a loose wire. You just put it back in, or it's a switch. That's the light. I was like, what does this do? I didn't know what it did for the longest time. But now I know. Now they both work. Look at that. I mean, the top one works. I was like, why isn't that top outlet working? Well, the top outlet is running to the switch. So that's a solution. Thank you. Okay, dishwasher. Let me so the dishwasher there, the rack has come off the slides, and to get it back on, you have to disconnect this right here, this little tab on the end. You take it out. I'm gonna put this back in because I need to take off the one on the back, because I'll show you why. So I'm gonna put this back in somehow, some way. There is a way to do this. I got it off. And you always say, oh, you should be prepared when you make videos. Well, no. I mean, sure. I mean, you're right, sure. But, I mean, it's always fun to watch somebody struggle to try to repair something. And I know how to repair this now. All you have to do is take the ends off here. And then you take the ends off this right here, that one. And then you just slide it on there, and then you put the end back on. Because right now, you can't see, it won't push in there because the end is on there. That end, you just got to pull that end cap off. So that's how you do it. So that's how you fix it. But I'm just going to show you the whole process, because more viewing time equals more money. And then you go ahead and start making it. Oh, you see, you go sideways like that, and then you can maybe twist it around. That's what I'm guessing. Oh, look at that. You see that? Watch. So there's a good way to do this. There's a good way, and there's a bad way. See, oh, see that? I've been doing it all wrong the whole time. So you get on like that, and then you snap it. Snap it. Come on, snappy. Come on, snappy. Snappy. I snapped it. Alright. That's how you snap that. So I need to unsnap this. You can either use a flathead screwdriver or your fingernails. It needs to, see this one, that one's on over there. See that? This one, I got weight. Well, that's not that much weight. So I need to get, now it's going under. Look at that. See what I done did? Oh, I took the bottom one off. Okay, so we need to unsnappy that. I might have to hit, okay, I'm gonna use the bottom one. Okay, the bottom one snaps off easily. Alright, and now the top has to come off. See, I just snapped the bottom off. And you don't want to break it because it's flimsy, it's plastic. So look at it. You see how it's deformed a little bit? The white part right there, it's starting to reach its limit. There's an engineering word there I can't think of. That's going to be difficult because not only will I have to push that through both of them, I'll have to go. See, now I can get it to go. See, now it's on there. It goes through both of those. But now I got to reach back and pop this on there. I got to figure out how it goes. So it's a little bit of trial and error, to be honest. This is going to be, I'm going to hold the camera and look, and it's all right. It doesn't go that way. Now I need to pull back out because it's stuck in there. Come back out. Well, there we go. Okay, you want to go like this, straight down, and then it loops around and snaps. Then snap. Then snap. Hasn't snapped yet. I'm gonna have to get a better look. Oh, hey, Mr. Cat. So I'm gonna have to snap that. Okay, it goes down that hole and it snaps. There, up, you hear that? It snapped. That's how you do that. All right, watch out, kitty, kitty. All right, here, hey, kitty. Okay. All right, good kitty. Okay, and now, all right, something's going on. Oh, that one came off. Now I gotta fix that one. Dang it. Okay, I had to snap the other one on. It was pretty easy. Once you get it down pat, you just pull the bottom, snap it, and then you pull it back. There we go. Yeah, buddy.